In today's video, we'll explore Morgan Housel's bestseller, The Psychology of Money, which dives deep into the hidden forces behind our financial decisions. Meet John, Sarah, and Kevin. Each of them has a different approach to money. Let's follow their journey to financial wisdom. John represents the conservative saver. Saving is essential, but not taking calculated risks can cost opportunities for growth. Sarah has discovered the magic of compounding, where even small, consistent investments grow significantly over time. Kevin, on the other hand, takes big risks, chasing fast returns. But as Housel explains, luck and risk are two sides of the same coin. Housel's key takeaway: true financial success isn't about extreme saving or reckless risk, but about understanding your relationship with money and managing it wisely. So, what can we learn from John, Sarah, and Kevin? The psychology of money is about understanding your own financial behavior, not just numbers. If you enjoyed this animated summary of the psychology of money, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.